Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, everyone here. I'm Margie, and I'm back to share another video with you. I come to share with you some products that I got from New York Fashion Week, and I want to share each product with you and maybe do some swatches, and let's see how it all goes. So first thing I want to show you is the big bulk of it. I had put it in this makeup brush belt that I have this makeup brush belt for a long time, and yeah, I put most of the bulk of the makeup in here. So I'm going to show you how I have the face brushes. I have some of the brushes on the side, two in the middle, and I also have the lip pencils and these different products here because I had no room. So what I did do is I looked for a different place to put it, but I had found my old makeup brush belt that I've had since 2013, and I've used it at different fashion shows and put like my brushes in it. But now due to the fact that my makeup kit has changed over the years, so I found this brush belt and I put the tools from Billion Dollar Beauty, and I put them here because this is these are the products that I received when I did New York Fashion Week back in February. So I'm truly grateful that I still held on to this brush belt and was able to put my products in it, and I still have my badge from New York Fashion Week. So yeah, thanks a lot for the badge that I'm going to also be using when I go back in September to New York Fashion Week. So let me lay this down for a little. So let's talk about what I have in here little by little. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is, I already showed you the badge. I have the badge in there. I'm going to put that back. These are the highlighters, and it came like this because I didn't have enough room to put them in. This highlighter is it's called Mystic. I don't know if you can see the name of it, but it's called Mystic. I'll list the names of each thing down here in the bottom. That one is Mystic. This other one is Enchantment. Let me show you what they look like inside like that. And this one is Mystic. I didn't show you because it came out of the, this is what Mystic looks like. That's Mystic. So let's put these here. The next one is Imagine, and this is what this one looks like. Hopefully it doesn't come out the container. That's what Imagine looks like. So let's put these back over here. Like this one, and this one. This last one is called Illusion, and yeah, it's like they're coming out of the thing here because I didn't find a place to put them. But this is what Illusion looks like. So yeah, so I'm gonna put those there, and I have them like this. Just take it in so that I don't lose them. Put it like this because I don't have nowhere else to put them. So I put them in this makeup brush belt. So together I have two of the liquid liners. There's a liquid liner on the front, like on the top here. Like, let me show you. We have the liquid liner here. See, there's a liquid liner on the top there. And then we have the mascara on the bottom. So that's what these two items are. Liquid liner on the top and mascara on the bottom. So that's what these are. They also gave us a eyelash curler, which I'm truly grateful for. And let me see, what other things could I show you? Eyebrow pencils. They gave us those. Like I said, I'm grateful for these items. A universal brow pencil. They gave us 6 eyeshadow sticks. One is in, let me just go by the names. This gotta have, okay, this one is Moon. The next one is Beige. This is Beige. The next one is Metallic. The next one is Rustic. Amber. And Hickory. Brow gel, and this one is in Raven. The next one is in Taupe. It's another brow gel in Blonde. This one is Blonde. They gave us also an eyebrow tweezer that whenever you do your brows, you have this ball on the end of it so that you cool off wherever you do your brows. You know, like whenever you're reshaping your brows, you use that. And they're a $1 billion brow lift. Yeah, that's what that is. These are 3 of the brushes that came with the kit. $1 billion brows brush tools. One is this is a smudge brush, and this one is a concealer brush. So we got those 2. More Japanese brushes. This one is a, let's see, I think they have the names on them. Okay. This one is a, this is a foundation, let me see. Yeah, foundation blender brush. That's what that one is. This one is contour blender. I'm going to list the name of everything at the end of the video. This one is a brow lash comb. That's what this looks like. Then I have 2 double-ended brushes, as you can see. One is a liner shadow, and this one is an angle liner spoolie. So you have the spoolie on this end, and then you have the angle liner on that end. Yeah. So let's put the brushes back, because we talked about the brushes. That part out the way. This is the biggest part of the whole kit. And now we're going to talk about the brow powders. There's one in Blonde. This is Blonde. This one is light brown. This one is Taupe. Let me see. Yeah, Taupe. And then the last one is Raven. You can see that. Alright, so the next thing they gave us from the fashion show was a mini magic eraser. That's like, I think you, like a makeup eraser. So it's like you wet this rag, you wet this, and I think you put like a cleanser on it, and then you wipe your makeup off, and that's that. That's how that goes. And they gave us, I think this is a lip sponge. I think this is a lip sponge. This is by Japanese too. So we got that. $1 billion translucent powder. We have that as well. This powder is great, so I'll use it. Two biggest things I have also are these mirrors, and it has like palettes. It's like a magnetic palette. This is let me see. I didn't have enough room to put all my other stuff in, so I put this here. This is one of the cheek blushes, and this one is in Passion. Let me put that here. And this is how, like on the inside, there's a magnet where you could put your lip shadow. Your lip. These are lip balms, but they come off like lipstick, and that's what that looks like. And the mirror, it folds out. It's a mirror, but it has like a stand where you could set it up. So that's that for that one. And then this one is with the shadows. And I also have 3 concealers on the top here. All 3 of these concealers here. And then all the rest of this is eyeshadows. Like different eyeshadows that I used at the fashion show. So thank you for watching this quick video, well, this little short video, and stay tuned for more products and let me know what you want to see me create. Also, I forgot the setting spray primer. I almost forgot that one, but yeah, this is another item that they gave us at the fashion show. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more and subscribe and let me know what videos you want to see me do on my channel. It's when it comes to makeup, hair, whatever it is, beauty, like a beauty vlog, a day at Sephora, what products you want to see me purchase from Sephora. Out of all the products in this video, let me know which ones are the best ones, and which ones do you prefer to use in your daily makeup routine, and as far as getting your brows together and setting, like doing like a natural on-the-go makeup look. Let me know what's your favorite brushes, what's your favorite eyeliner. When I discussed everything in the video, what items do you see that are the best for you? So stay tuned for more, and God bless.